Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Perfect Teacher. Today, we're going shopping to the supermarket.
That's right. We'll learn useful English sentences you can use when you go shopping for food, drinks, or household items.
We'll show you how to talk to a cashier, ask for help, and find what you need.
So, if you love learning English in a fun and simple way,
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mr. Perfect Teacher.
ready to shop, Paul?
Always ready, especially if there are snacks.
Okay, let's start.
Imagine we're walking into a supermarket. What's the first thing we do?
We grab a shopping cart or a basket. You can say, I need a shopping cart, or I'll take a basket.
Repeat after us. I need a shopping cart. Pause for 3 seconds. Good job.
Now, let's find the items we need. For example, if you're looking for milk, you can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?"
That's a great sentence. Let's say it slowly. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Pause for 3 seconds.
You can change milk to anything: bread, eggs, rice, or sugar.
Here's another one. Is this on sale? It means, is it cheaper today?
I ask that all the time. Everyone loves a good discount.
Right. You can also say, do you have a smaller size? Or, can I get a plastic bag, please?
And when you finish shopping, go to the checkout counter. The cashier might say, "Did you find everything okay?"
You can answer, yes, thank you. Or, I couldn't find the coffee.
Let's practice this one. Did you find everything okay? Pause for learners. Yes, thank you. Pause for learners. Perfect.
When you pay, you can ask, can I pay by card? Or, do you accept cash?
Here's another useful phrase. Can I get the receipt, please? That's the small paper that shows what you bought.
Good one. And don't forget, always say thank you before you leave.
And maybe have a nice day.
Exactly. These small words make a big difference.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice, learners. I'll ask and you answer. Ready? Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
Great. You could answer, it's in aisle 3.
Next, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Good job, everyone.
Now repeat this sentence. Is this on sale? Well done.
You're doing great. Let's do one more. Can I get a plastic bag, please?
Excellent pronunciation.
Today, we learned how to speak English at the supermarket, how to ask for items, pay, and thank the cashier.
These are real sentences you can use every day when shopping.
Keep practicing them. Speak out loud, even at home.
And if you want to improve faster, write your own supermarket sentences in the comments.
We'll check and help you if needed.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Perfect Teacher for more easy English lessons every week.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next video.